Hi beautiful people, what's up? Welcome to UAE. It's your guy Alfred. Once more, welcome to Awake Within. Remember last time I promised you guys in one of my videos that I'm going to come up with another tutorial video on how to make passive income with some 3 mobile apps. These 3 mobile apps, guys, are genuine. Believe me, I'm going to even show you guys some payment proof that these mobile apps are not fake. So guys, we'll get down to the videos after my intro, but before that, if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and to give a thumbs up if you like the tutorial video, and make sure you watch this tutorial video from the beginning up to the end because every part of it is important. So guys, we'll get down to the tutorial video after my intro. Okay guys, welcome back again. It's your guy Alfred. Welcome to Awake Within. So guys, let's get down to the tutorial video. Okay guys, we are back. Let's get down to the tutorial videos. The first app is Current. Let me show you guys how the app looks like. This is how the app looks. Go on your phone and open your app store, Android, type Current Rewards, and you will find this logo. When you find this logo, you click on, you download, install on your phone. You can see it has, you can play music with this app. You can play, you play music, you earn points, you make money. You search and play from 100 plus radio stations and up to 600 per year. But you can see earn 600 in a month if you take it serious. That per year if you take it lightly, but if you take it serious, you will earn 600 within 2 months. I mean $600. You can also play games and earn every minute you play. So with this app, it's only music and some advertisement videos that you will play, and you will earn more points, and you will make yourself passive income if you take it serious. Let me show you guys the payment proof for Current Reward. Here's the proof. Current Media LLC has sent you 2.88 USD dollars. So this is the payment proof. So this app is legit. Now the second app we are going to look into is Honeygain. This is Honeygain. They said Honeygain passive income effortlessly. Effortlessly. With Honeygain, you can make money by simply sharing your internet. Start earning now. So this is Honeygain. Also, this is for Android. It's an easy way to earn passive income. Start earning with Honeygain. So with this app also, you also go on your phone, on your apps app store store, to click on, and you search for Honeygain, and you will find a logo like this one, like this. Download and install, and you will come to a page like this one on your phone. This is how it will look like. You will not do nothing. You will just open the app, and these things will keep moving up and down, and it will just be like this. You will not do nothing. Yeah, you will not do anything. Just go on your phone every time you are free, or
you have net, you just click on the app, and the app will just be on its own like this, and you will keep earning points and make money at, without any effort. And let me show you the payment proof for Honeygain. Let me show you the payment proof. This is the payment proof for Honeygain. This is Honeygain payment proof. So Honeygain is legit, also legit, not scam. Is legit. If you take it serious, you also make good income, and the payment is dollars. Is dollars. For you to receive payment, you need to create a PayPal account. You need a PayPal account. Then the second app I'm going to show you guys also is called ClipClap. With ClipClap, you only play but videos. This is ClipClap. You also go on your phone, on your app store, you click and type ClipClap. This is the name, ClipClap. Reward ClipClap. You click and you type and you install on your phone. You also had to watch, let me show you guys, watch, get paid by watching hot videos, play games and earn every minute. It also has this lucky wheel. When you spin this wheel, it will also give you points. ClipClap has different areas where if you take it serious, you will make good money. Here is where if you have good point, you can redeem any of this amount. You can redeem. These are gift card. So guys, if you take this, if you make use of these apps, you will make good money, passive income. You will make passive income without no investment. You don't need any experience. You don't have to pay anything. Just download on your phone. You start to make money. Just download on your phone. It's very easy. Anyone can do it. It's very easy. And for ClipClap, this is the payment proof for ClipClap. This is the payment proof. So it is also legit. You can make passive income with these three apps if you take it serious. And with Honeygain, you can install on your phone and on a laptop. You can install Honeygain on your phone and laptop. Honeygain. So guys, on your phone and your laptop.
Okay guys, you have come to the end of the tutorial video. I know you guys have learned much today on how to make massive income with these three mobile apps. Please take this serious, and trust me, you guys are going to make massive passive income with these three mobile apps if you take it serious. So keep watching Awake Within for your entertainment. Next time I'm going to come up with another tutorial video again on how to make passive income with some 3 side hustle without no investment. You don't have to pay anything, without no experience. The thing is easy,